Hey everybody, welcome back to Peak State Mathematics. We're going to turn up the speakers, get the energy flowing so we can learn in peak state. Let's go! Welcome back to another episode of our Freeburg's math class. We're looking at dilations today, basically taking an object and making it bigger or smaller, kind of zooming in or zooming out. And we're going to have a scale factor that helps determine this. If that scale factor is greater than 1, it'll make us bigger. Less than 1, it'll be smaller, but greater than 0. And we'll kind of just multiply everything by that scale factor to figure out where the image is going to land based on the pre-image. So let's slow it down and break it down and take a look at number 2 here. Our scale factor in this case is 3, which means everything's basically going to be 3 times the size it was originally. And again, if that scale factor is greater than 1, it's getting bigger because everything's going to be expanding, right? If you multiply by even 1.1, it's going bigger. If you have a number that's between 0 and 1, it will shrink this thing and it'll make it smaller. So our general rule for all of these dilations is going to be your xy is going to a kx, ky. You're just multiplying each part by your scale factor. And so if we do that here, we'll find our image is going to land at -3 times 3, comma 0 times 3. In other words, our a prime is going to go to a -9, 0, because we multiply both parts by 3. If we do the same thing with b, b prime is going to land at 3 times 1, 2 times 3, or 3, 6. C is going to land at C prime with 6, 0, and our D prime is going to land at a -6, -6. Again, all we're doing is multiplying each component, x and y, by our scale factor 3. So let's go ahead and graph this and we'll see what it looks like. We're doing the zoom around the origin as well. That's, I think, important to note. Because kind of like we saw with rotations, you can have a center of the zoom. Maybe think about like in your computer, if you just zoom in wherever your cursor's at, a lot of times it zooms around that point as your focus for your dilation. So here we're going to have a rectangle that basically has expanded from our pre-image into the image. And let's take a look at a couple more and fast forward. Good luck! Hey everybody, thanks so much for watching this video lesson. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something. Please hit subscribe so you have access to all of our video lessons. And if you want live, free tutoring with me every single Monday, check out peakstatemathematics.com and sign up for that. Until next time, remember, always learn in a peak state.